Okay, by oh so popular request, a demo of Rick O Sound. I'm going to turn on the tube amp. It's pretty hot, so shouldn't take long. I'm going to turn this on, and then I'm going to turn them both off, because actually, well, I won't do it to the tube, but it's really best to plug in before your amps are on, so you don't make a bunch of noise. So here we have it. This is the stereo jack. My dad and I have been working through different concepts of how to really bind these two together, because I didn't have really high quality, like rubber coated stereo jack. Wrapping wire around it in retrospect was probably bad from an electromagnetic standpoint, but anyhow, so what you've got at the end here, two female plugs and a male plug, but you don't put this one in those. What you do, and got these color coded too, so it'd be hard to see, but so this one is the black, so the black buzz, clearly that's going into the tube amp. So black is for left, red is for right. I don't have red, but I have yellow. It's not black. That's all you need. So now you've got a stereo out. And by the way, so you can see the difference. Here we have, this is the yellow one, and this is the, oops, this is the stereo one. So trying to put these next to each other. See those two black lines? This lets you know it's a stereo plug. This one's just a mono plug. Anyhow, take our stereo plug, plug this one back in. This was red for right, or yellow for right. So the yellow is going to this PV, which I'll turn back on now. Got this back in 1992. So yeah, the way Rick O Sound works is you've got your two pickups here and here, and each one ends up going to a different speaker or whatever. I use sometimes an amplifier and iPad, you know, one into one into the other. Anyhow, turn it back off, because we've got to do this now. Feel the buzz. So, most guitars have one jack on the bottom. Here it's called standard, and you can see there's this other one, Rick O Sound. Okay, this is where the stereo jack goes. And so, this pickup is going to this amplifier, and this pickup is going to this amplifier. So, I think I got that right. Yeah, pretty sure. So right. This is where you get, you know, what they call the neck pickup, but also the rhythm pickup, the bass pickup, according to the way they do things here. And so what you can then do with your little switch here if I just want to hear the treble, which is, now let's turn the PD on. So just the treble. So the PD has a lot of knobs, mid-range, treble, thickness, saturation, brightness. It's got reverb, which I don't normally crank up that high. But, so now, if we put on the Vox, here, get some of the bassy sound, and this will just be pure Vox. Versus, you know. So a very different sound. And then what you can do is flip this to the middle, and then you get both. But they give you this extra knob, which turns retrograde to the other ones, because the deal is this pickup is so loud that this is actually like an anti-volume pickup, but as you turn it up, it's going to increase the bass sound. So we put it up a little bit here. Let's trick it all the way back down, and on the center setting, so you get both amps. I'll get out of the way of the Vox so you can hear that clearly. Now I'm just going to turn this up a little bit. A little more. All the way. And now if you listen to the difference between just the pure treble and the pure bass versus the previous pure bass, when this is all the way down, I mean, that was a cool sound, the two of those together. And so anywhere along that spectrum, you can crank that up, and of course you can control, you know, it's a little too bright, turn on the treble a little bit. Or go full treble. I suck at lead, but you get the point. Or go for the full dank bass. Or both. There's some Rick O sound. I need to buy myself a guitar stand. Thank you very much.